friends, welcome to a new vlog here from Greece, the sunny Rhodes, however you want to call it. It's a beautiful island, and today I'm gonna show you, that was my plan, to show you how we can make a cheap holiday this year. So I flew here from Germany for 170 euros for the flight to Rhodes and back. It's 170 euros, pretty cheap. And look at this, guys, this is my villa for the next few days, and also I'm going to show you around the island, but in the next videos. Today I'm going to show you a little bit more about the costs, and yeah, let's jump in and let's do a little room tour, because this is pretty insane. Wow guys, this is simply epic. This is my house for the next 4 days during my exploration of Rhodes, and it's called Petra Villas. I will link it down below, and you can click on the link and you can book it via the link. It will give me a little kickback, so you'll also support the channel with that. It doesn't cost you any cent more, promise, but just use the link in my description. It will make me my day a little bit happier. So let's jump into the villa, because it's super nice. I mean, look at this, the garden is beautiful, it smells so nice, like citrusy, and I love it that everything is white. Now let's go inside, I'll show you around. So from the inside, it could use a little bit of modernization, but wait until you hear the price. So this is our living room area. I'm not sure if you can also make these into beds, so it will fit even more people. But yeah, we have some TV that has Netflix. We have a washing machine for clothes, which is super nice if you're staying longer. Then we have an oven for pizza or, I don't know, fish or something. Microwave, sandwich toaster, wow, everything. And also here, little dishwasher, pretty insane, guys. And also here, of course, fridge with a refrigerator. We will fill this thing up here in a few moments, and I will show you guys around also on a supermarket. To maybe compare the prices and also if it's super cheap or not. But yeah, this is the living room area, and also here's a little toilet that you can use with some nice tiles, you know, some Greek style red tiles, love it. The floor is also red. Yeah, maybe could use a little bit more modernization, but wait until you hear the price. Let's go upstairs. So these are the stairs that will guide you to the bedrooms. Yep, this is how it looks. We have also Wi-Fi here, which is pretty good. I'll upload some videos here. And here's my, I already used it. This is where you can shower and do your stuff. And also here's the master bedroom, which is pretty nice because you have two balconies, one on this side, one on this side, and if you're sleeping, you don't need an air condition, but you have it. But you can make some really nice wind going through and just enjoy it. And also here from this side, you can just enjoy your coffee on the table and just enjoy the view, guys, on the pool and the ocean, which is right there, which is the it's the Aegean Sea. Yeah, guys, you can walk over there, over this path, and just explore the beach. Maybe we're gonna do it later, but I see there's a barbecue, guys. We need to use this one today. So yeah, you can also hang your clothes here. And here's another bedroom that I used for my equipment. And yeah, 2 persons can easily fit here in. It's either you have kids or you can come with friends. And here you have another balcony which you can use and enjoy the beautiful sun of Rhodes. And guys, now comes the most interesting stuff. How much does it cost? You can comment it down below what you think it will cost for per night. It doesn't matter if you come here with 6 persons, 4 persons, I don't know how many can fit in. I paid to stay here 160 euros per night, which is pretty insane. It's like 40 euros per person. You will not find any better deal in any hotel okay, you have like all-inclusive stuff and everything, but to be honest, Rhodes has so much more to offer than all-inclusive food, because the fruits grow freshly from here, and you can also get some, I think, maybe we can get some cheap seafood that we're gonna discover later. And guys, 40 euros per night? Insane. It cannot get better. So keep that in mind and use the link down in the description. Yep, and this, guys, is my little helper for the next few days, which is my rental car. I don't have a name for him, but he doesn't need a name because he doesn't have even any power. But you guys have been questioning me, where can I find some cheap rental cars? And guys, I don't know, it's insane. I mean, like, if you saw the last episodes from Ireland, we paid like 220 euros per day for a freaking rental car. I don't have words for that, it's insane. But here in Rhodes, this rental car cost me 30 euros. It's nothing. I mean, it hasn't power, but it can only drive like 80 kilometers per hour. Doesn't matter because you can only drive here with 80 kilometers per hour, so it's totally fine, and we can come from A to B and explore the island. So let's go and jump into the supermarket. Also, it doesn't have like a little beeper or something. You have to put it in and open it up. Yeah, just like that. And look at this, there are some beautiful colors here inside. Also some red. They love red here on the island. All right, let's go to the supermarket. Guys, look at this place, it's amazing. It got recommended to me by my host from the villa, and he's told me to come to Stefano, which is also, by the way, the name of my best friend. So hopefully they serve some good food here. And look at this place, it's super beautiful. We have like the blue, the white, the Greek island flair, the flowers, and the ocean, the sea. I am already in love with this place. It's super amazing. Can't wait to get the food. Don't know what I will get. I guess some seafood, but let's see in a little bit and just enjoy the views. Yes, mythos, nice, thank you. Oh, there it is, the good stuff. Thank you.
The best part is the head of the calamari.
Okay.
This one.
This is the head. Okay, perfect.
This is my grandmother homemade olive oil.
Okay.
In November she goes to the trees to take the olives.
Do you help her?
No, my father.
Okay. You're busy here with restaurant. Okay, okay. It's a good excuse. I'll try it. Thank you so much. I made myself a little bit of calamari ring. Put some lime on it. It's also garnished with some parsley. Put some salt on it, and then just eat it just like that. Simple, grilled. Calamari is actually like butter, guys. Also with a little bit of crunch from the outside because it's on a it was made on a barbecue. It's not chewy. It's super delicious. It's just as fresh as it can get from the sea. Super nice. With that, a little bit of tomato, some olive oil, and some onions, and you're good to go, guys. That's the best thing you can get in Greece. It's a symphony in my mouth. Guys, insane. So we put some olive oil on top. Yep, and then just mix it, give it a little mix, some feta cheese. Also the tomatoes look amazing, much better than in Germany, guys, I can't imagine. So I think first day in Greece starting pretty good. I think it's going to be an epic vlog series. fresh fish.
Golden grouper.
Ah, okay. Yeah, grouper is good, but it's big, yeah?
Yeah. Scapari.
Ah, okay.
Shiba.
This is like dorada, huh? Something
Yeah,
similar?
like the groupers, red snapper.
Okay. Epic, everything fresh.
Yeah.
Sick, okay. I come back? Thank you. You're Stefano?
Junior.
Junior, Stefano Junior, okay.
My grandfather.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Guys, food was absolutely smashing delicious. Also, Stefano Junior, I don't know his name, he told me his name is Stefano Junior, so let's talk to him like that. And he showed me that he has some fresh fish also in the refrigerator. Oh, super nice. We'll come here back for sure. But also I wanted to show you guys the beach that's down below our villa and also down below from Stefano. Maybe not the most beautiful beach, it's super stony, but with that also it's super clear water. So yeah, that's the beach I just wanted to show you guys, and let's go to the supermarket now because we need some stuff to fill up the fridge. Let's go. So guys, I didn't buy anything for the barbecue because first they didn't have charcoal, which is not so good. Also, they didn't have a butcher and they only had frozen food, so I didn't get it. But Stefano Junior told me that there is a fisher market somewhere around. Maybe I will contact him and go with him to the fisher market. Let's see. So guys, so I got pretty hungry. That's why I went to Lindos, to the old town. And oh, there are some donkeys. And I'm not gonna eat them, no worries. But it's such an incredible view. Look at this. I don't know if I can get it on camera, but it's super beautiful. And we are going to get some, I don't know, gyros or some souvlaki. Let's go to the old town. So guys, I'm strolling here through the streets of Lindos, which is a pretty nice old town. I have to visit it once again, maybe tomorrow. And I met some followers, some German followers.
Hello!
That's crazy. I couldn't think about meeting followers here in Rhodes, but it's super nice. And we have to get some beers together.
Oh yes.
Drink some mythos and do some Greek yama stuff. So first up, let's drink some mythos and eat some gyros. That's a good plan for tonight. Nice. Cheers. Wow. Legends. Guys, we are in Greece. You see that by looking at the barbecue. Never saw something like this construction. I think this steel is like from the construction site, but anyways, it works somehow. And yeah guys, epic. We have some Greek souvlaki, which is yeah, like you see it, it's like chicken with some veggies. And Leroy is vegetarian, so we got some grilled veggies. And also we can't miss on the mythos, which is the local beer here. Cheers. And we say in Greek yamas. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little excursion throughout the island of Rhodes. In the next one, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of the stuff. And yeah, for me, it was amazing to see Monolitos. This was my favorite spot today. What was yours as well? Yeah, it was epic. Like the views are really crazy, insane. It was really windy, so I couldn't get the drone just like I wanted to. But anyways, guys, hope you liked it. And we're gonna enjoy the barbecue. So stay with us and enjoy it with us.